Okay, now we are going to filter concept. Okay, filter concept lo మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే first one is this is the filter help. Okay, so in the filter help we can divide it into the three parts. Okay, one is dimension filter. Okay, dimension filter దాన్ని dim అంటాము. So dimension filter and date filter. Okay, date filter and measure filter, right? Okay, so ఈ మూడు ఇందులో డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేయడాన్ని డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తే ఒక పాపప్స్ వస్తుంటారు. సో విజార్డ్ ఇలా వస్తుంది అనమాట. అందులో మన ఆప్షన్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ చెక్ ఇట్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐమ్ గోయింగ్ హియర్. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద నౌ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డేట్ ఫిల్టర్, రైట్? సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఆర్డర్ డేట్ ఇన్ ద ఫిల్టర్ సెల్ఫ్ హియర్. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఆర్డర్ డేట్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తారో ఫిల్టర్ లోకి, సో ఇట్ విల్ షో ద వన్ పాపప్ హియర్. సో ఇన్ ద పాపప్ యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఆల్ ద డేట్ parts. So here I am saying date parts here. Suppose here, okay, now I'm going to date parts here. So this is the date. I'm going to date here. Most important. ఇది లేకుండా ఇంటర్వ్యూ కూడా ఉండదు. సో ఇయర్ డేట్ ని మనం డివైడ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి. సో ఇట్ విల్ గో ఇన్ టు ద ఇయర్ వైజ్. ఓకే, ఇయర్ వైజ్, క్వార్టర్ వైజ్, ఓకే, అండ్ మంత్ వైజ్, ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ వైజ్, ఓకే, week number wise, okay, number wise and day wise, okay, days and minutes, seconds, hours. So ఇవన్నీ కలిస్తేనే డేట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ కలిస్తే డేట్, రైట్? నౌ సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఇవన్నీ మనం ఏమంటాము డేట్ పార్ట్స్ అంటాం. డేట్ పార్ట్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా డేట్ పార్ట్స్ అంటాం. సో డేట్ కెన్ బి డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ ద మల్టిపుల్ పార్ట్స్. Okay, year, quarter, month, week, weekdays, numbers, hours, minutes, seconds, we can call as the date parts, right? Okay, now I'm going to date parts, the dates. So here I'm taking the order date into the filter cell. So it will display the all the values. Okay, year, quarter, month, day numbers, weekday, month, year. So these are the option here. So this is the count is to minimum, maximum. You can use this is. So here you can identify the here. This is the one part, right? This is the one part, and this is the second part. Okay, this is third part and this is the fourth part, right? So all are dates, all are date calendar symbol, right? All are calendar symbol. So ఒక్కొక్కటి ఒక్కొక్క రోల్ ని ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఒక్కొక్క రోల్ ని ప్లే చేస్తే సేమ్ డిఫరెంట్ రోల్ ని ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. నౌ లెట్ మీ చెక్ ఇట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్. Okay, so now I'm going to first I'm using relative dates. Suppose I'm clicking relative dates, again it will go into the another pop-up here. Okay, click here. So now it will be going to the another pop-up. So here relative date, range of date, starting date, ending date. Okay, relative date means it will display the year, quarter, month, weeks, days. And I want to display the extra data. I want to display the today data. So I want to display the tomorrow data. Okay, based on year. Now I'm going to quarter. So based on quarter, I want to display the previous quarter. I want to display this quarter. I want to display the next quarter. Okay, now based on this again I'm going to months. Okay, I'll click the months based on previous month, this month, next month. Again weeks. So previous week, next week, this week. Days, yesterday, today, tomorrow, right? Again come back here, year. So it will display the previous year, this year, next year, last 3 years. I'm selecting this one. I'm going to apply one. Or next year, I'm going to for something, whatever it is. And the year. Based on this, we can apply anything here. Okay. Now quarters. So quarter, I'm selecting previous quarter, this quarter, next quarter. Sorry, I'm selecting here last quarter, last first quarter, last next quarter. Same as month. So previous month. Suppose I'm click the previous month. Again, I'm good in the previous month. And in the previous month, you can go to here. Okay, next. And weeks. Previous week, last week by using this method. Okay? Likewise, you can use. Okay, so multiple times we practice cheste we can do. Okay, next range of date. So coming to range of this is the starting date. This is the ending date. So how you can ending date to starting date? How you can find the starting date, ending date? Okay, suppose I'm going to minimize this one, close this one, and I'm taking order date in the row cell. Okay, this is the 2023. This is the starting year. This is the end year based on our DS. DS means data source. One data source lo unnatuvanti these are the first year. This is the last year. So right click here. Now I'm going to exact date. Okay, this is the exact date. Right, click here. So it will display the something. Now right click here. I'm going to apply the discrete. Okay, this is the start here, right? 1/3/20. Last కొట్టినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 12/30/23, right? Now remember, just remember this point. Okay, first one is 1/3/20 and second last one is 12/30. Okay, now remove this one. Okay, Based on this, I'm taking the order date to the filter cell. Okay, now I'm going to apply relative dates. Next, I'm going to range of date. Here start date is 1/3/20, 12/30. Okay, based on this, we can identify which one is the starting date, which one is the lasting date. Okay, so here I want to display the something, మీకు some value కావాలనుకోండి. So I'm starting days వచ్చేసి నాకు 21 నుంచి కావాలి, right? Starting వచ్చి 22 కావాలి, right? ఇలాగా. సో ఐ వాంట్ డిస్ప్లే ది ఎండ్ డేట్ నాకు డిసెంబర్ వద్దు, ఇక్కడ నాకు ఫిబ్రవరి వరకు కావాలి. ఓకే, ఫిబ్రవరి కావాలి. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు గో టు VRF. So now I'm going to apply the 4th month. Okay, apply. Okay, so it will display the 4th month, April month. Okay, so likewise, suppose I'm going to here, I'm apply the March, January, February. Okay, I'm going to 28 apply. So ilaga start date to end date choosing కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. So next, okay, this is the start date, this is end date. Okay, only particular గా starting date కావాలంటే అక్కడ నుంచి చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఓన్లీ particular గా నాకు I want to display the ending date అంటే end date. So this is the special character belongs to null values. Okay, null values ని ఉంటే మన data set లో we can hide the null values. Okay, and okay, again close this one, remove this one, again order date to the filter cell. Okay, now I'm going to relative date. Next, here I'm going to relative to completed, range of date completed, and starting. Okay, starting date here also completed. Okay, everything is completed. And again I'm going to order date, drag and drop into filter cell. So range of date. Okay, I'm click the range. Here it will be the same method. Okay, relative dates, range of dates, starting dates, ending dates, same as it will display. No worries about this one. Again, I'm taking the order date to the filter. Now it will display the year. If you click the year, it will show the year, right? I want to display the 23. Now I'm going to apply the subcategory wise. Okay, order date wise. Okay, order date wise, sales here. Okay, sales. Okay, this is the point. Okay, now here I'm taking the order date into the filter cell. Okay, by the filter cell, here I'm going to apply the relative dates. Next click. So here I'm going to apply the I want to display the here click chestnut. So I want to display this year only. Okay, this year only, and I want to display last month. Okay, apply. Okay, now data will be changing, right? So now I'm going to apply the this year only. Okay, this year, or else next year we'll see. Next year we date. I think you don't have any data. We'll check it. So no, next year 2024 data లేదు కాబట్టి it will not display it, right? Now I'm going to previous year. Okay, apply here. So it will display the 2020. So last date ఏంటి ఇక్కడ, last year 23 is last year. Then previous year ఏంటి 20, right? Now, so it will display the only this year. Apply. Okay, only 23 display చేస్తుంది. So అలాగే quarters. So now I'm going to apply the quarter here. So I want to display the last quarter. Apply. Okay, so 22 quarters, 23 quarters it will display. Next months, I want to display the only months, 3 months only. Apply. Okay, last months only display చేస్తుంది. So next weeks, so I want to display the last week, last 1 week here. Apply. So last week of data. So ఇదంతా బాగానే ఉంది కానీ లాస్ట్ వీక్ డేటా మనకి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? So now I'm going to right click here. Now I'm going to just keep exact data. Okay, now I'm going to here. Now I am going to display it. So it will display this is the date. Okay, entire date. It will display the date. Based on this, we can identify. Okay, this is concept of the date view, right? Okay, now clear this one. Again, I'm taking the subcategory. Okay, I'm taking the order date into the row cell. I'm taking the profit into the column cell. Again, I'm taking the order date into the filter cell. Okay, now we are going to year. I'm selecting year. It will display the all the year. Now I want to display the only 20 data, right? Apply. Okay, now it will display the only 20 data, right? This is point completed. Again, edit filter here. So I want to display the all here. Click here, click apply. Okay, now remove this one. Order date, drag and drop filter cell. Now I'm going to quarters here, right? I'm applying the quarters here. Apply. Okay, next. So I want to display the only quarter 4. Apply. Okay, so how you can identify the quarters 4? So 2020 is there, but I don't I need to quarter 4. So just click this one. Okay, so this is the quarter. Okay, year wise quarter 4. I am selecting quarter 4 here. I selected quarter 4, right? Now I am going to apply the Q3. Apply, okay. So it will display the Q3, Q4, right? Q3, Q4, Q3, Q4. Okay, and again remove this one. Okay, remove this one. Okay, now I'm going to already drag and drop filter cell. So now I'm going to month here. Same as likewise, you can do the other things. Okay, months, dates, day, and so మీరు ఎలా కావాలో అలా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, I'm going to apply the months here. Apply. So here I'm going to apply the, I want display the only January. Okay, apply. Okay, so it will display the year of January, 23 January, 22 January here. Okay, now I'm going to, so now I'm going to apply the exact here, exact date here. So now I'm going to apply the discrete here. Okay, discrete here. So this is the, so base, this is 1111. It will display only January. Okay, 1111. Okay, this is the point. And again I'm going to here clear this one. Again I'm going to subcategory. Okay, I'm going to here. I'm going to taking the quantity here. Okay, now so here how many fields are there? 17 fields are there, right? Now I'm going to create calculated field. This is the drop down. In the drop down, I'm selecting created calculated field. Okay, I'm taking the index. This is the index. Okay, index means it will display the row wise, right? It will display the, here you can give any name, no worries. Okay, I'm typing index only. Okay, this is the only index. No, not this. Okay, this is the function I'm taking. This is the extra field. Okay, already I created, this is the extra field. This is the extra field I created. Now this is the, I'm taking the function here. Okay, this is the function. Apply. Okay, then this is the extra field, drag and drop into the, okay, drag and drop in the side of the row cell. So right click here, I'm going to apply the discrete. So this is the 17 fields. Okay, now I'm going to remove some fields. Okay, now I'm going to apply the category into the filter cell. So I want to display the only either something. Okay, I want to display the only a name. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, so it will display the a name and edit filter. Here also some are the data fields present in the view. Okay, apply. Okay, it will display the only a. Here also some b is there now, so b is there. Okay, apply. Okay, so this is the concept of the date filter. Now I'm going to, so now I'm going to measure here. Same as I'm taking the what I'm saying previously, that dimension field we can drag and drop in filters, it will display the pop-up, right? Same as I'm taking order filter, order type drag and drop in the filter cell, it will display the pop-up, right? Same as measure fields you can drag and drop in the filters, it will display the pop-up, right? Same as. Okay, now I'm going to use this one. I'm taking the filter sales into the filter cell. Okay, in the filter cell, so these are the measure value. Okay, all the measure value. Okay, these are the measure value. Okay, so measure means these are the aggregated value. Okay, aggregated means combine అయిపోండి. Okay, aggregated value అన్నమాట. ఇవన్నీ కూడా aggregated values. సో aggregated values అంటే టోటల్ వాల్యూస్. ప్రాఫిట్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి అంటే టోటల్ ఉంటుంది. సో దేనికైనా ఇవన్నిటికి ఇది అప్లై ఉంటాయి. ప్రాఫిట్ కానీ క్వాంటిటీ కానీ సేల్స్ అని అన్నిటికీ అప్లై. So that's the point. When you take the measure value, this measure value, all the field measure value aggregated by the fields. Okay, now I'm going to, I'm taking sales into the filters. Okay, so it will display the sum, average, median, count, district, minimum, maximum, standard deviation. So these are the fields. Okay, basically we are using up to here only. Use chest. Okay, when you chest. Now I'm taking subcategory and sales here, right? Sales. Okay, now I'm going to sales, drag and drop into the filter cell, right? Here you can identify the all the fields. Just click here, it will display the same as, okay, range of value. So manke measure value starting in ఎంత వరకు ఉందో, now I'm going to apply the text field here. Okay, this is the text field here. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఉందా మనకి, right? Now I'm taking sales into the filter. So it will display the pop-up. In the pop-up, we are going to apply the all the fields here. So in the all the fields, మనకి starting point నుంచి ending point వరకు display చేస్తుంది. Okay, so ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ చాలా వాల్యూస్ ఉంది. బట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇన్బిల్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి కస్టమర్ నేమ్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసి అనుకోండి, కస్టమర్ నేమ్ కి ఇన్బిల్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ప్రొడక్ట్ నేమ్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసి అనుకోండి, సో ఈ సేల్స్ అనేది ప్రొడక్ట్ నేమ్ కూడా ఇన్బిల్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. రైట్ వైజ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూని మనం డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసి అనుకోండి, ఎంతవరకు కావాలంటే ఇట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లే అంతవరకు చాలా వస్తుంది. సో అట్లీస్ట్ అంటే మినిమం వాల్యూస్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ 5 కావాలనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 5000 అప్లై చేసాను అనుకోండి, ఇట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లే ద 5000. సో ఎట్ మోస్ట్ అని అప్లై చేసాను అనుకోండి, మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాం. సేమ్ స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అని 4 వాల్యూస్. ఓకే, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ వచ్చేస్తాయి, నో వరీస్. ఓకే, నవ్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు sales into the, now I'm going to, this is the sum of value. Okay, click here, next. So it will display the same, at least at most range of values. Okay, well, again sales drag and drop filters, right? And the average, median, count is. So you can practice multiple times, you can easily identify what is there and okay na? And okay, now I'm complete up to here. Measure, date, geo, dimension, date, measure, and the data view marks the data level. So this is also complete this topic. Quick filter is very simple filter. So quick filter, what is the quick filter? So immediately it will display the values, right? Okay, now I'm going to apply the category into the row cell. I'm taking the quantity, sales, whatever it is. Okay, now I'm going to apply the quick filter. Just right click on the category, so filter. Okay, right click on the salary, right click on the subcategory, just show filter. It will display the right side of the data fields. Click here. Now it will display the data set, all the data fields on the right side. So I want display the only, tables. Okay, it will display one table. So I want display the art, it will display art. I want display the envelopes, it will display all. So I want display the all. So I want display only, I remove the from table, supplies, storage, phone, paper, like this. It will display remaining. So I'm remove the art, binder, chairs, whatever it is, it will display. So based on this, we can apply the quick filter. So immediately we can do the pick the answer. This is the quick filter. So context, cascading. So these are the, we will discuss at the evening point, right? So any doubt in this regarding today topic? Anand and Rajesh, do you have any queries?
లక్ష్మణ్, ఇప్పుడు మనం క్విక్ ఫిల్టర్ ఇది మనకి అంటే డెవలపర్ కి కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా, వాటిని డాష్ బోర్డ్ లోకి తీసుకెళ్తే అవి కనిపిస్తాయి అక్కడ, ఓన్లీ ఇది మాత్రమే.
Yeah, okay. So this is the point. I'm taking the subcategory and the sales here. Now I'm going to here. So show filter. This is the show filter, right? We are going to, this is the quick filter. Right click here. You can able to see this is the hide card. Okay, hide card. Now, okay, hide icon. Right? Again, I'm going to control that utility display, or again I'm going to show filter. Okay, this is the, now we are going to suppose what this is quick filter, right? Okay. Now I'm going to, this is the topic. We are going to dashboard. This is a dashboard. Okay. In the dashboard, I'm going to use this one, quick filter. Okay. This is the quick filter, drag and drop it here. So this is the all the fields. It will display the all the fields. So no need to. This is the, I don't want this one. Same here. Click here. So ఇక్కడ మనకి again I'm going to here, check it here also there. Some, now we can clear, we can close this one also, or else when you can click that drop down, so you can see different options available. So here if you want this one, you can do this. If you don't want, remove this one in the dashboard. Okay, got it? If you want, again I want display the filter here. Okay, now this is going to apply the filter, right? You can go to different ways, you can do the multiple ways, no worries. Coming class ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి. Okay, now I'll stop the class. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Anand, are you there?
No.
Okay. So I will send the videos to you today. EOD అంటే end of the date. మీకు end of the date కల్లా మీకు ఇప్పుడు వరకు అయిన క్లాసులు అన్ని మీకు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. అవి మీరు చూసుకోండి. ఓకే, బాయ్ సార్ రాజేష్.
బాయ్ లక్ష్మణ్, బాయ్
ఫ్రెండ్స్, బాయ్.